So this is pretty similar to the one I showed you in the previous video and that I was just talking about. So our premise is P or Q. Now we want if not Q, then P. So we're going to make a subproof. All right, and I did that by putting 2 spaces and then the not Q, 2 spaces again, and then remember that we need AS for assumption when on the first line of our subproof. Okay, 2 spaces again. So now I've got on line 1 P or Q, on line 2 I've got not Q. So if I use the disjunction elimination rule, I can get P. Okay, P, of course, is the consequent of the conditional that I'm trying to get. So the subproof is finished, and I can put on line 4. Okay, so the not Q arrow P is against this main line here, main vertical line. And then I'm going to cite this as arrow intro, and that's going to be the range of the subproof, 2 through 3. All right, let me do one more. Okay, this one here, so this is exercise 3 in homework 8. Okay, so I have these 2 premises, if P then Q, and if Q then R, and I want to get to if P then R. So I'm going to start a subproof with P. Okay, so now that I have P on a line by itself, I can do arrow elim on line 1. So that's going to get me Q, arrow elim lines 1 and 3. Now that I have line Q on a line by itself, I can do the same thing, this time with lines 2 and 4. So that's going to get me R on a line by itself. Okay, and R, of course, is the consequent of the conditional that I'm trying to get. So that means I can end the subproof. So now I'm just back to against this main vertical line. Okay, arrow introduction, lines 2 through 5. No, excuse me, 3 through 5. Okay, and we're done.